Hello everyone, today I've got a very quick story about a team of researchers working in Scotland at the University of Strathclyde. And what they're proposing is a solution of sorts to global warming, or at least a proposed method of reducing solar radiation. What they propose is to get an asteroid, one that is near the Earth already, and using it to create sort of a field of dust in between the Earth and the Sun. And what the dust would do is reduce the amount of sun that is reaching the Earth. And they propose it'd be a drop of about 1.7% of solar radiation, but that could create a global effect of 2 degrees Celsius drop in temperatures for global climate. So it may not seem like it's doing much, but that dust is actually really good at scattering and diffusing the light that's trying to reach the Earth, on its way to reaching the Earth. How it would basically work is putting a mass driver of sorts on the asteroid and putting it in a Lagrange point in between the Earth and the Sun. Now to unpack that a little, a mass driver is basically something that moves something else in space. And a Lagrange point is the area between two objects where their gravity cancels each other out. So that basically means it's sort of a midpoint in gravitational pull. So the pull of the Earth and the pull of the Sun would be equal, making the thing just kind of sit there. And if that thing is spraying dust into the space in between, well, the light that's coming from the Sun would be diverted from the Earth, or blocked from the Earth, which means less solar radiation reaching the Earth. It's a pretty cool idea, and you may be wondering why. I mean, we have dust on Earth. Why do we need an asteroid? It's a lot like the proposals that say put a giant mirror in space to reflect the sun. Those actually aren't as crazy as they sound. The reason they're not really feasible is that launching something that large or something with that much mass from the Earth would be incredibly expensive. I did an earlier video you can check out that explains the cost of fuel and how that's a huge barrier to exploring space. So a little mass driver that can attach itself to an asteroid that's already out there would be a much more logical solution. Now this seems like it would be almost a silver bullet of sorts to stop or cancel out the effects of global warming, but the researchers themselves, Russell Bewick was one of them, mentioned that they're not proposing this as an alternative to reducing emissions, but rather an additional option. And it really should be viewed that way because, I mean, global warming aside, global emissions of pollution are pretty terrible for a variety of reasons. But really, this is just another possible option for global warming, and I hope you found it interesting. Thanks for watching.